Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to y'all with my haul. Well, some real small mini haul of the stuff I purchased from Sephora, the welcome back sale. Honestly, I was not going to buy anything once I found out you were only getting $25 off $100. I kind of felt like that was an insult to people. Like, as much money as people spend in Sephora, you mean to tell me you only getting $25 off $100? But whatever. Beggars can be choosy, right? So at the last, well, no, it's not the last second, but today I was in the mall when I was at work and I decided to buy some stuff. So if I'm looking tired or beat down in this video, y'all give me a break. Like, I just got off work. It's like 7:45 and I've been at work since 9 o'clock this morning. I'm tired and y'all give me a break. But I decided that I was only going to spend $100, $125 at the max, and that was it, which I ended up spending $125 and I got the $25 off. So let's just get right into it. I am probably going to order a few more things. Only thing I want to get next is the Gucci bronzer in a different shade. So I'm probably going to order that online because for some reason they don't have them in my Sephora, the ones that's close to me. So that's like the only other thing that I'm going to get, and I'm not even too sure about that. But anyway, the first thing I got was the Drunk Elephant body lotion. I've been wanting to try this for a while, so I just felt like this was the time to get it. And this has marula butter, 5 ceramide blend, pH 4.2. I don't know what that means, but I've been wanting to try it out. Let me show y'all what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's not thick at all. It feels like a regular body lotion. It smells good. It smells like almonds. Yeah, that's what it smells like, almonds. But yeah, it's very moisturizing. Like, my hands just clearly soak the lotion up right away. I don't know if because my hands are dry or what, but it does smell like almond butter, but it's not like too strong. It's like real light, where you almost can't even smell it. And this was $20, I believe. They had the cleanser also, but I didn't want the cleanser. I just wanted to try the body lotion out. The next thing I've been dying to try this, but I didn't want to purchase it because of the price. But today I just was like, well, you know, you're gonna get $25 off, so just get it. And this is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme cleansing balm. I like cleansing balms a lot, and I like a lot of the Glow Recipe products. Like, I love their sleeping mask. Like, that's one of my favorite masks. And I forgot how much this was. I think this was like 30, 35, 38. I don't know. I know it was over $30, but this is what it looks like. And it has a spatula. Sorry, y'all. This is what the spatula looks like. Let's open it up and smell it. It does not smell like papaya. It smells like, this smells like something. I can't think. Hold on. I want to put some of it on my hands just to get a bit. You know, to me, this smells like pineapples. Yeah, that's what it smells like, pineapples to me. And I'm steady sticking my finger in it when it clearly has a spatula, but whatever. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, this kind of, I don't know. It smells like pineapples to me. It don't really smell like papaya. Even though I can't really think offhand like what papaya smells like. So do not judge. Next thing I got is the Briogeo Curl Charisma with Chia, Flaxseed, and Coil Custard. I got this mainly for my daughter's hair, and I probably use this occasionally, but being that it's black owned, I did want to try it out. That's what it looks like. Of course, I like smelling stuff. I don't know why. It smells like it smells like hair conditioner. And this is, what is this? Yeah, this is a leave-in conditioner. What was I watching? I saw somebody use this on dry hair, but this is intended to use, is that a word? I mean, this was made to be used as a leave-in conditioner, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to use it, but in my last, oh no, let me show y'all this. And they gave me this, guess it's for like my birthday or whatever, points or whatever. And I got this. This is the Bum cream. Not gonna open that up. We all know what that looks like and how it smells. And the last thing I got is this Dior Oil to Milk Makeup Removing Cleanser. I wanted to try this out because you can use this as a makeup remover and you can use this as a cleanser. Being that I have this as a makeup remover, basically, I'm just going to use this as a cleanser. I'm probably going to use this like in the morning. And this was like $44. This, I don't know, this was like $40, I don't know. But honestly, this was the main thing I went in Sephora to get because I was actually going to get this from Bloomingdale's, but they didn't have it in stock. So I was like, let me try Sephora. And being that they had it in stock, I was just like, let me get a bunch of other stuff. This is what it, so I didn't even really show y'all. This is what the bottle looks like. And this is 6.7 fluid ounce. Let me show y'all what that looks like. I'm so tired. It's like my mind is not even working. Well, not working, but you know, we've just been so tired. It's like you can't even think straight. And this just feels like regular oil. It has a little fragrance. It has a scent. It's not too bad. It does smell very like perfumey. If that's what it smells like, perfume. Okay, y'all, that was it. My Sephora mini haul was real short. Told myself I wanted to stick to exactly 100 or 125, and I'm so happy that I actually did that. I did it, like, stuck to the budget I set for myself, because y'all know it's real easy to go in Sephora and just get carried away. Anyway, I'm going to go, y'all, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.